It's exactly 9 o'clock.
And the seventh grade, this girl.
Congratulations. Okay, it's easy. It's another T-Series shark or what? Oh, no. Oh. Oh. How does he know? Ah. That's disgusting. Let me look at the comments. Someone watched it. Kind of cringe. Yeah. You should just edit it and say, Should have edited it and said King of Cringe. I mean, what? Hold up, let me tell y'all something. Okay. You already watched it. Anyone else watched? 3 likes already.
Oi, mighties.
Oh, God. Oi, mighties. Thank you. I type fast, so. Oi, mighties. I'm battles with my grandma. Oi, mighty. Thanks. Now I'm gonna put like, there you go. Don't ask what I put down.
Oh my god. So, I'm recording. Videos ready, but you guys, I get 2 videos ready for y'all. And they just turned off on
Don't
me.
ask why I like my own videos.
And yeah. So, the videos turned off on me and I was really mad.
Look at the comments. First death 3. Shout out to Richard Olivia. If I said it right, I'm so sorry if I didn't. I'm so sorry. You record Minecraft videos. I'm just kidding. It's fun run. I'm guessing you also fun run. With Roblox for one day. He's okay. Next one, Devio. Y'all probably all know him, so I don't know what I'm saying anymore. He did one about almost an hour ago. So, yeah. Part 1 right here. What do you mean purple? Wait, what? Is this on listed? Oh, yes. Oh, I remember this was like years and years and years ago and years ago. But it only has 1 like and 2 comments. You got this. Why? This was made like 2 months ago. 50K and 60K. But yeah. I'm trash. 50 on my dash. So let's see, about 2 months ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 years ago, yeah. Videos are out. Oh, wait, still on. Oh. I'm so sorry. I've been delaying on streams. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. What am I doing? I should delete like some of these. And the oof and a oof and a oof. Oh, found it. Let me just delete these. What's today? Wednesday. I think I can manage. Battlelands. Anyways, bye.